I learned that what can I learn? I learned that if you type one thing, like let's say you type furniture, then you type
Mm,
like the same letter again. You
mm,
don't have to you don't have to type it. You don't have to click enter and it will write it for
mm-hmm.
you.
Okay. Okay. So that's for a particular cell. Yes. All right. But then if it's not what you want to type, you just continue typing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Um, so let me just see. I think we can continue from where we left off. I wanted to introduce formulas with in Excel. Though I think we have done a bit of formulas, but it was not really like formula thing. We're just adding numbers.
Formula.
So you said
That, that's the normal formula.
yes, yes. But then what we did back then was just adding numbers. But if you notice something, we started with the equal sign. Okay, we start with the equal sign. So it's usually um a necessity to start with the equal sign. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so um so there's something that we do sometimes between cells. Um all right, so let's see now. This what I'm about to do now, or what we want to do now, is more like a it's an example. There are other ways we could have done it. Okay, so click. I want you to go to cell C13. C13. Okay. So now in that C13, right, we want to add everything under C. That is C2, from C2 to C12. We're going to do it in the most basic way. Okay. So um so in that box, type equals to. That's where you start. You start with equals to. Okay. Then click on C2. Okay.
Whoa.
So you can see it entered it for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, since we're adding, what do you think we should do next?
Do the addition sign.
Okay. So do the addition sign. Then click on the next cell that we want to add, which is C3.
What the?
Okay.
Then do you click enter?
Okay. Yes. So no, don't, no, we're not done now. Why did
Oh,
you,
I thought you because you said yeah, yes, that I should click enter.
no, we're not done.
C2 plus
Plus,
C3.
mm-hmm. So go ahead, plus C4.
Oh,
We'll go all the way to C12.
also,
So press your plus. You have to press your plus sign before you go to the next one.
also. I need to make it bigger.
No, don't worry. As you're typing, you can see everything that you're typing is on top there.
Oh, let's see. Plus C5 plus,
Mm-hmm.
plus also.
Okay. All right.
Also. Okay.
Okay, C12. Okay, so hit enter. Let's see what it shows us.
He adds it all.
It adds it all, right? Good. So that's if you notice one way of doing cells. Now let's try something. I want you to change any of the numbers. Maybe you can change that first one in C2, change it to another number. Let's see if it will impact the total 106.
You're not oh, if you click it, he adds it like immediately.
Uh-huh. So that's the advantage of a formula. You know, formulas are just like substitution. So when you whatever value x is, the Excel will update it. You know, whatever the variable is, Excel will update it. So that's how formulas work. So we can try a simple subtraction. So in D3, or okay, now let's do D2. So click on D2. Let's just do basic subtraction. D2. So subtract of course you have to do your equals to. Don't forget, anytime you're doing a formula, always start with equals to. So go ahead and type equals to. Now
Oh,
the next thing is the cell that you want to subtract from. So which cell do you want to use?
uh, C, 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 C4, C4.
Okay, so click on C4 and it will enter it for you. Okay,
Okay.
then you can put your minus sign.
Minus.
Okay, then what do you want to subtract from C4? Which cell do you want to subtract from C4? That's the next thing you're going to click.
C11.
Okay, okay. All right, hit enter. Let's see.
Yes, sir. He, he subtracted like, he subtracted like
Okay,
we
so
expected it to.
13 minus 5. Yes, it actually gives you
It's,
8. Okay, so that's some basic formulas in Excel. Of course, you can bet that there are more, should I say, complex ones than that. Can you do one with multiplication?
okay. Uh, equals, let's 25. Where is it? Oh, sorry. 25 times, let's do, let's do for 100. Yes, I did it at times.
Is that the correct?
Hello,
Is that
sir.
what you were expecting?
Yeah, I calculated it. 25.
25 times 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. Then let's try one for division.
Sir, for division,
Try
this is
one for,
division.
yes, division. Yes.
Okay, okay. I thought you said addition.
No, division, division.
Uh, let's do equals to 20. To make it easier, just do 25 minus 4. So I have to calculate it, see if it's right. And divide.
Okay.
So 25.
6.25. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay. All right. That's fine. Now, if you wanted to select, let's say you want to select a whole row, right? You want to select from C2 to C12 and you want to copy it, can you do that? Click on
Wait, what?
C2. Click
C2
on
to what?
C2. Don't double click. Click on C2. Uh-huh. Then hold down your shift key. Don't hold it down for too long. Hold down your shift key and then click on C12. Good. What did you notice?
That it like
It's
highlighted.
you have been able to select several cells at the same time, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That's better to say
Uh-huh.
it.
Okay. So do a control C.
Yes,
Control
sir.
C. Okay. Then go to E2.
E2, okay.
E2. Now do control V. So what did you notice?
That it copied and pasted it.
Copied everything in
Yeah,
that
everything.
whole line and vertically and pasted it. Okay, so let's do something similar horizontally. So click on A2.
Get to.
Yes. Then hold down Shift and click on E2.
Oh, wait, hold down what?
E, the Shift key, the same key that you held down,
Okay.
the Shift key. Then click on E2. Uh-huh. So do a copy too. Let's see if we can. Control C. Anyone you wish to do. Okay. Then where do we paste it? Oh, yeah, choose anywhere you
Let's
want
do
to paste.
G2.
Okay. All right. So what did you notice?
It copied and pasted it all, but instead of putting it like downwards, he spread it out in sideways, so like
Mm,
to the
mm-hmm,
width.
mm-hmm. Okay. I want you to click on that place where you have 0 because you were
Zero,
expecting it to be there, isn't it?
zero.
Mm-hmm. Did you
Yeah.
notice anything?
Mm.
I4 minus I11.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Equals I for. Okay, so it's like
So
doing.
do you go back and click on D2 so that you will understand what happened back there? Because D2 is what should have been there as 8. So can you see that D2 is saying C4 minus C11?
Yes, sir.
That was the subtraction that you did there, right?
Yes, sir.
So what can you learn from that? When you copy and paste, Excel is also intelligently checking what formula that you have there already. If it's just a formula, if it's just a number, look at 1. I think 1, the places where you have 1 and 1, there's no formula there, right? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Where you have total number, C2. Click on C2. Let's see. Is there any formula there? Click on
C
C2.
two
Yes.
one.
There's no formula. Click on
Yeah.
E2. Any formula,
Neat.
E2.
E2. There's no formula.
No formula. So that's the reason why it just puts the 1 and 1 there for you. But because it saw a formula in D2, it looked at the formula and then tried to reproduce the same formula in J2. You understand? But now,
Yes, sir.
because D2 the formula was referring to C4 minus C11. And then, and you see that C is on the left-hand side of D. So it looked at J and checked, okay, what's the column on the left hand side of J? That is I. And then it repeated the same formula, but using I instead of C. Do you understand?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that's some of the things you will notice in Excel, so that you can once the whole idea of understanding a tool is so that you can master it, and then you will not be wondering what exactly is going on. You can explain confidently what is going on in the
Okay, sir.
at whatever point of using that tool.
Okay,
You
sir.
understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. um are you with your notebook?
No.
Why?
Uh, I forgot. Ah, sorry. I will
Anytime
get
you're
it.
coming to class, always come with a notebook. Now the idea is that if you're coming with a notebook, you're expecting that, okay, I'll learn something new, and I want to take note of that thing so that I don't forget. That's the whole idea. But
Yes,
if you're
sir. Okay,
coming
sir.
and you're just like, there's no need for the notebook, that means you're not coming with an expectation. But
Yeah,
coming with
okay,
a
sir.
notebook and your biro is shows that you're expecting something.
Okay, sir.
I hope
Yeah.
it's not far away.
Okay, sir. I'm back.
Okay. So I was just trying to capture the things that I think we talked about here today.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, can just write it as I'm not planning to make the notes long as much as I want to capture everything we've done. Um,
Wait, sir, I'm coming. I took the wrong book.
Ah, okay. Please don't be long. Oh. Hmm.
Sir,
Yes,
I can't find it.
you can't find your book,
Yeah.
but you just used it on Saturday. So why can't you find it?
I don't know. My dad saw it. I think he put it somewhere. Wait, I'll come. What are you making your glass? What's that? You are doing the glass on WhatsApp. No, don't be phone and go and use your laptop to do the glass. I'm afraid you should. And doing what? Are you using the phone in the class? You are using the phone in the class. Coming to have to do at home. Not there.
Not there.
Yes.
I'm going to send um that means I have to send it to you via WhatsApp. And I don't know when you're going to find that book. But so now we had, even when I was chatting you on WhatsApp, you did not think, okay, let me try and get ready for my class and all that. Hmm? You didn't think about that all those things are part of preparation for class.
I didn't know we're going to use it.
Ha. Oh, wow. Just imagine. You are telling me now that you can go to school and say that you don't know that you're going to use um um your writing material in school or in class. Eh? That's just what you are saying now. What you did back there, um, um, what you did now by selecting those cells, did you take note of your action?
Sir?
Hmm? I said, did you take note of what you did there to be able to select all those cells now? Did you take note of what you did?
Yeah.
You clicked on the first cell, right? And you dragged.
Sir? What did you say?
You clicked on the first cell and dragged, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is another way of selecting multiple cells at the same time. This one I just taught you now. Sometimes you may not be with your mouse, or at that time you just want to be able to do something, and you don't want to use the mouse to do the same thing. So um, that's when you apply that method that I've done. Please look at it carefully. Do you understand everything I typed here as your note that we have covered for today so far?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that is um, um, excuse me, that is one way of doing it. Now I want you to see something, right? Can you go
Oops.
back to the this thing? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, so now I want you to see something, right? um hmm, let's see. um okay. ah Let me see. There's something I want to do here. Just give me a minute. Selecting multiple, still on selecting multiple cells. Um, let me see. Will this thing show? Okay. All right. So let's do something. Um, Now sometimes, right? You want to talk about cells in terms of their ranges. So, for instance, now that same addition that you did back there, do you remember the first addition that you got the total of all the total numbers? Do you remember?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So now I want us to see, I told you that there are more Excel formulas. Can you click on that place where you have FX above the sheet where you have FX? fx. Have you seen fx? Where there's like a where you, okay, go to where you have where what we call the cell reference. Cell reference E21, where you have that E21. Have you seen E21? At the top left, E21 under the ribbon. Yes. Now move your mouse to where you have FX on that same line where you have E21. FX, 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 not the X, FX. Keep going to the right. Yes, good.
I thought you
Now
said
click,
XX.
yes. That FX there is short for function. So click on it. Click it. Go ahead and click it. Don't be afraid. Nothing will happen. Click it.
I'm clicking it.
No,
Clicking
click on
it.
that V. Can you see that V beside it? Yes. Yes.
I'm clicking on it.
Nothing happened.
Okay.
That's now you are clicking on it. If you click on it and nothing happened, that means you didn't click it properly. Okay. So this you see that Excel has so many formulas. Top on the list is sum. So let's take advantage of some of Excel's formulas. Let's start with sum. Now, I want you to click, since sum is selected, right? Uh, click, let me see. Click OK, let's see whether it will insert it for you.
So can you remove this like Excel formulas always start?
I told you to read it. Have you read it? Have you confirmed that it is exactly what I've taught you so far today?
Yes. So
Okay. But you didn't say anything now. So I didn't, that's why I did not remove it. I've sent it to you on WhatsApp. So please make sure that you copy it into your notes. And that means you must find that note today before the next class and keep it somewhere that you know where it is.
okay. I'll find it tomorrow. I have homework to do.
Oh, okay. So what's happened when you clicked on OK?
Shows this.
Okay, so why do you think it shows that? Now look carefully at what it has, what you have there. D2, is there something like a colon in between?
Yeah.
There's a colon in between.
Yeah, sir.
D2, D15. Why do you think it's saying D2, D15? Click OK, let's see. Just click OK. Now, let's take a look at what we have there, right? Did you notice that? I don't know where your mouse was. I think your mouse was there by default, isn't it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So now I want you to take note of some things. Number one, Excel formulas have a name. Can you see that?
Excel
What's the name
formula
of
has
this
a
one? What's the name of this formula or this function?
sum.
Sum, thank you. Okay, so by now you should have known that uh, here we're interchanging formula, the name formula and function. Okay, so the sum function this is one way of using the sum function. So you can say you're adding starting from cell D2 all the way down to cell D15. Now I know you're wondering, but there's nothing from cell D5 to cell D15. So what was it adding? Whenever Excel doesn't say anything, to just take it as if it's zero, isn't it?
Yes.
So I want you to check if you add 100 to 8 and add 6.25, will you get that answer that you see there?
Wait, if I will what? If I times
100 plus 8 plus 6.25.
yeah, probably.
Okay, so now let us try something else. Now go to that bar there at the top. Change that D2 to C2 and then change the D15 to C12. C2, yes, change it to C2, good. And that one is C12. Change that D15 to C12. Okay. What did you notice?
Wow. It's easy for
Yes.
me as well.
Yes, it's exactly the same thing. So that thing that you are doing C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6, what you are simply doing is like, you know, you are adding from all the cells from C2 to C12. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that was basically what you are doing from C2 to C12. So
Okay, sir.
this is one easy way to do it. So, um, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So, I'll leave a note for you. Please look for a way and
Fine.
copy that note today so that you don't come and start telling me stories on Thursday
Yes, sir.
that you not find your note and all that. So, then I'll ask you to try some other formulas. Click on that V beside the FX again. Let me see some other formulas that are there that you can try on your own. I
Okay.
will. That's where do you forgotten where you saw FX again? Simeon, really?
Good.
The place where you found the formula now, FX. Uh-uh.
Good.
Simeon, just go to where you have that bar. Yes. Click on that V beside it. Uh-uh. Huh. Okay. Okay, no problem. It's fine. I think count max. Okay. All right. So I'll give you one activity to do. So
Thanks.
remember, I think this thing okay is automatically saving it. All right.
Okay,
So
sir.
that's the
Bye, sir.
six. All right. So on Thursday, please make sure that you are in here on time.
Yes. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
All right.
Have
Bye.
a good rest of your day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, bye.